Hey, I decided to join in with the United YouTube Modelers group build of the 1940 Ford. You know, that's not really my cup of tea for building, but a friend of mine grabs a 40 Ford. This is the Trophy Series kit from who knows how old. I looked for a date, I couldn't find one, but it's a pretty old kit. But they've reissued it many times since then. But I'm gonna build the coupe. I noticed that four people are gonna build the sedan delivery and 4 people are gonna do the coupe. And I'll run down the list of who's building what. Let me show you what's in the box. Like I said, this is an old kit. It's got neat box art. My friend Bryan, BG Model Works, says he wants the box after I'm done building the kit, but it's pretty neat, vintage. It's Troy, Michigan. AMT Corporation. All right, let's see what's in here. Bryan donated his Sybil Shepherd video graphics to my build. I may use these, who knows? This is kind of weird. I don't know if this came with the kit or the builder that had it before. It's sort of like a vinyl top, but I don't know if it's adhesive or what, but kind of neat. Instructions, crusty. Bryan also had some street rod tires, big and littles. These are Pegasus rims. Definitely using these. Side kit. It's molded in beige plastic, and it's that kind of brittle plastic, not that soft kind. But interiors here, windows are already in it. Chassis looks real smooth. You can tell that this is older. Hasn't been, this is before it's been reissued 100,000 times. Got chassis, some parts off the trees, not a big deal. Seat, the hood. Look at that monster hood scoop cutout. That'll be fun to fill. I'll definitely have to block sand this to make sure that it doesn't ghost after the color coats. Some sort of nail head, flat head, I don't know. I don't know anything about those kind of heads. Got a clear tree. Not really sure why there's another clear tree in here, but maybe it's just spare parts. Roll bar. Part of the supercharger. More engine. I guess this is an engine stand. Kind of neat. Front end. Another part of the motor. Seat. Rear end. Nice dash. Yeah, look at these chrome pieces here. You can tell this is old chrome. I don't know how much of this I'll use. So, what am I gonna do with it? So like I said, this isn't really my cup of tea, but I have an idea. I have some House of Color Sunrise Pearl. Nice. And I'm gonna build a 90s street rod with it. Check this picture out. That's more my style. Nice and smooth. I'll get rid of all of this molded in stuff here. Get rid of all that. Make it nice and smooth. Maybe get rid of this character line here. And put a slick ass paint job on it. Lots of clear. These rims, that's what I'm gonna do. The project is due in January, so I'll get started with it after I'm finished with this. Tim is going to do a sedan delivery. So is Chuck. Luka's going to do a coupe. Matt is going to do a sedan delivery. Bryan's going to do a coupe. Fred's going to do a coupe. And Mark is going to do a sedan delivery. Make sure to visit the other guys' channels. Check out what they're going to be doing with theirs. And please like and subscribe. Thanks. Talk to you later. Bye. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I decided to join in with the United YouTube Model Creator, let me start over. The YouTube Model Car Creators